borax, the harmful remedy. Boron-containing preparations are said to work wonders for arthritic joint pain. However, there are only indications of possible health risks. For plants, boron is an important micronutrient without which they cannot grow. For insects, however, boron compounds are highly toxic. One of them, called borax, is successfully used as a means against unwanted pests in the home. With drinking water and plant-based food, we take in small amounts of boron. Nevertheless, no biological function of boron in the body of humans and mammals is known to physicians. On the other hand, there are strong indications that large amounts of boron can be harmful to humans. Nevertheless, some internet sources even praise borax as a remedy. Allegedly, it can relieve pain in worn-out joints, osteoarthritis. Poor evidence. We could only find one clinical study on this topic. Even if the authors of the work want to create a positive impression, a critical look at the data shows that the borax tablets were unable to alleviate osteoarthritis symptoms in the participants. Overall, however, too few people participated in the study, making it hardly meaningful. 3 other studies have not examined borax, but a fruit sugar boric acid compound. All 3 studies, however, have major flaws. One of the studies did not even investigate whether the symptoms of the participants have improved at all. There are no indications that borax or boric acid can actually improve symptoms in people with worn-out joints. Potential health hazard. However, the indications are becoming clearer that boron compounds are far from harmless. Although studies on the risks of boron in humans are scarce, numerous studies on different mammals all come to the same conclusion. Borax and similar compounds affect the function of sex hormones. The consequences range from reduced sperm quality in men to malformations of the testicles, ribs, and cardiovascular system in newborns. Birth weight can also be significantly reduced as a result. This is enough reason for the EU to prescribe a daily boron limit of 10 mg/mg per day for adults. At least boron compounds do not appear to be carcinogenic according to current knowledge. The studies in detail. Clinical studies that deal with the effect of boron compounds on arthritis symptoms are scarce. Only one randomized controlled study examined borax, sodium tetraborate. However, the authors observed a very small number of people with only 20 participants, of whom only 15 remained until the end. In the end, the symptoms of the participants treated with borax did not improve any more than those of the participants in the placebo group. However, due to the small number of participants, the study is only of limited significance. 3 other studies examined the boric acid compound calcium fructoborate. The authors of one of these works only measured certain blood values of their arthritis patients, but not whether their symptoms had improved. A second group of scientists did not statistically examine whether the arthritis symptoms of the participants treated with boron differed from those of the sham-treated participants at the beginning or end of the study. The last study included participants with non-specific knee pain. Whether the cause of the pain was actually arthritis is unclear. It also remains unknown whether the study leaders actually randomly divided the participants into placebo and boron groups. Therefore, it cannot be ruled out that participants with less pain were already in the treatment group from the beginning compared to the sham treatment group. If the symptoms differ after the end of the study, this would be a possible explanation.